Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of international relations, our today's topic of discussion is US reforms agenda. So the UN was formed 75 years ago with an avowed objective of maintaining international peace and security. Besides directly contributing to prevention of conflicts, the UN was mandated to create an environment of peace through respect of human rights, promotion of cooperation among nations in social and economic fields, restricting armed races, etc. In nutshell, building a rule-based global order. It is true that UN has succeeded in saving the world from source of World War III, but effectiveness in many fields appears deficient. In changed global situation, it is neither representative of the present power equations nor adequate to deal with the new challenges of climate change, terrorism, cybersecurity, poverty, and other social economic problems. During COVID pandemic, the UN and its agencies remained largely ineffective. The UN could not take any action in ongoing war conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Thus, the need for comprehensive reforms to entire UN system. So, India has been elected 8th time as a non-permanent member of UN's Security Council. India has joined its 2 years assignment on January 1st, 2021. India, in collaboration with other members, has been trying to push for an extensive UN reforms, including the expansion of UN Security Council in the spirit of multilateralism. Now, as a non-permanent member of UNSC, that is United Nations Security Council, India gets new opportunity to push its agenda for UN reforms. The main points to required UN reforms are as follows. So the first one is Security Council needs making it more representative in view to change in power equation at global level. The dilution of veto power can make it more effective in crisis. Second one is giving more powers to General Assembly. In matter of peace and security. Now it is just an advisory body. It is World Parliament, creating specialized institutions, structures and procedures for addressing the emerging global challenges like terrorism, climate change, cybersecurity, etc. Then strengthening the existing agencies like WHO, UNESCO, FAO, UNHCR, etc. to make them more effective, transparent and representative. The UN often comes to face the financial resources some mechanism of mandatory financial contribution from nations or provisions of world tax may be put in place to enhance its financial resources. The UN has multiple agencies for discharging its responsibilities. It needs to streamline their functioning by better coordination and transparency in their function. The UN also needs to strengthen its preventive diplomacy and peace-building mechanism to make it more effective in smaller conflicts. Core ideas for reforms. The core idea in reform process are transparency, multilateralism, representative character and the democratization, and last one but not the least one, the effectiveness of UN system so that its credibility and relevance in the changing conditions may be maintained. India has put forth these ideas and suggestions for reforming the UN system. India is now the new non-permanent member, has new opportunity to push this agenda of UN reforms. So this was all about UN reforms agenda. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.